Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Good afternoon. I'm getting ready for going out today. It's a birthday of one of my friend. We're gonna celebrate her birthday in our friend's house. See, I'm getting ready for going out. My hair is still wet. Happy weekend, everyone. I'll go early so that we can bonding each other. We're gonna celebrate her birthday today before I go to the church. Going to the church after the birthday celebration. Our church service is at night. That's why we still have time for how many hours we have. But the birthday celebration is in the house of my friend. Bye guys, happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend. See you later.